What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm sweating right now because I just spent the last like 20 minutes trying to put my car on these ramps that I have, and it's kind of hard because I'm a little bit lower, so I had to just keep finagling with a bunch of 2x4s, but thankfully the car's in the air. And today's video is going to be somewhat of like a vlog style video. I'm just doing some basic maintenance on my car today. We're going to be doing the oil change tonight, but I'm going to be doing the tie rods tomorrow, hopefully, because when I tried to get my alignment that day that I did the POV drive, my guy told me that the tie rod was frozen, and they finally came in, so I want to be tackling this, trying to do it as fast as possible. It shouldn't be too hard because I've taken off the tie rod, well, not like the whole assembly, but where it connects to the what's it called, the spindle. I've taken that off multiple times, so that won't be hard. From what I've seen and just my previous experience with removing and replacing tie rods, shouldn't be too hard. But I'm just gonna let the car cool down a bit just because I got home. We're gonna do the oil change and review whatever else I bought from FCP Euro, but it's long overdue, and it's just gonna be another vlog session, so I will catch you guys when I start the oil change. All right, guys, now that the engine has cooled down, we can resume the oil change. And alongside the oil change, I have a lot of goodies that I have yet to install. So the first of which is the BMS Burger Motorsports oil filter cap, which I ruined back in the day because I put degreaser on it and it was hot and it just ruined the finish on it, so I can finally replace that. I have a new black line oil, what is that called, it's not oil filter, whatever, the oil cap that on the actual valve cover. I can put that on. I also have a coolant reservoir cap, also by Blackline, and the final touch is going to be the power steering reservoir cap. So very excited because I've had these in the vault for a very long time now. So we're at the same time as we're doing maintenance, we're also going to be adding a few nice little aesthetic touches to the engine bay. So without further ado, I think I'm just going to put you guys on time lapse, do this oil change real quick, and then install the rest of these parts. So yeah. All right, guys, it is the next day. Finished the oil change off camera last night. I was honestly just taking my time, so I wasn't in too much of a rush. But as you can see, we got the new oil filter cap, the new Blackline valve cover cap, the Blackline coolant reservoir cap, and in addition, I forgot exactly where I bought this, but it's a billet power steering reservoir cap. I currently don't have the bracket because before I put the VRSF charge pipe, I had I believe it was I don't actually remember, but the previous owner had his own charge pipe, and oh, it's an AFE. It was an AFE charge pipe and AFE intake setup, so it didn't really match. Well, I couldn't reinstall it with the bracket that he had, so I temporarily zip tied it here. But I also detailed the engine bay, just give it a quick little clean, so now it's shiny again, and with all the dress up bits, it's looking very good. So when I get home, I don't know if I mentioned this on camera, but I will be tackling the parts of the inlays that I did that are peeling, and they didn't turn out as well as this one because this one is a proper inlay. This one I tried to salvage the wrap and inlay it in just weird areas, which as you can see are peeling. So I'm just going to be cutting how an inlay is supposed to be and then rewrapping that. So hopefully my car will look more complete than it is now. So I will probably catch you guys when I get back home, but I'm really happy with the progress so far. Finally being able to install parts that I have had in my basement for years now. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when I get home. Alright guys, well, I didn't realize that my phone died during the time lapse. However, I finished doing the inlays for the bottom of the bumper, and the finish is night and day because it looks absolutely perfect now. Not that it is, but the only proper inlay I did was for this side here because I don't know if you guys saw in the last clip, there was a whole really bad situation here. Man, I literally just cut everything here to do a proper inlay that looks perfect. In terms of the center section, I didn't really feel like taking off this grill thing, so I just salvaged what I could, and honestly, it looks really good. I'm happy with the progress so far. Besides that, tidied up the engine bay a little bit more. I managed to put the old power steering reservoir bracket. I just had to finagle a few things and I made it fit. So now the engine bay is in tip-top shape, wrap is in tip-top shape. The only thing left I need to do is the tie rods and then the left rear window regulator, but I will save that for tomorrow because I'm a bit tired. Alright, what's up guys? So forgot that this video is coming out after the Shenandoah vlog video because I was rushing to get all this maintenance done before we went on that trip, just in case. So thankfully the trip went well. Next thing I need to do though is I need to replace my brakes very badly and get an alignment. I know I probably should have done that before the road trip, but you know, I'm just YOLOing it. So just a little update on like the wrap situation. So this inlay is holding up really well. This one I might redo because I forgot I did this in the cold and it like began lifting, but I just pressed it back down and for now it's fine. It looks a lot better than it did. But yeah, the tie rod install wasn't that bad. I have to find another alignment guy. Riku's friend might be able to do it for me, so if all works out I'll get it done this week, but it won't be on camera. So I'm just signing off for this video, it was really nice being able to get hands-on with the E90 again, because I pretty much haven't done any engine work since like 2023, I believe. A lot of the engine work that I've done was pre body work, pre-wrap, everything, like when my car was still stock, because I wanted to do the engine stuff first. But it was really nice. We got to do an oil change, added a lot of the engine dress up bits, finally addressed the tie rod situation and peeling wrap. But the next few videos are probably going to be maintenance related as well. I'm getting some performance brakes, and I finally got the front and rear turbo vacuum lines, because I have a boost leak and those are the only vacuum lines that I haven't replaced. Other than that, I pretty much addressed every single notorious issue that the N54 has in regards to boost leaks. So yeah, without further ado, I'm just gonna sign off on this video. Really hope you guys are enjoying the content so far. 2024 went by really quickly, so you guys have to stay tuned for what I have planned for next year. I really have a lot of big plans that are in motion right now that you guys won't see until next year. I'm working really hard behind the scenes, so please show me some support. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're almost there. I'm about to hit 700, so we just need 300 more. And I'm excited to say that I finally applied to be a YouTube partner. We finally are able to monetize the videos, so I'm really excited with the growth of this channel. Really working hard to keep posting good content. But yeah, so without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.